It's a new 2019 GMC Yukon XL. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability, and this Yukon XL has even more of it. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, doors and push button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com finds it boasts substantially more towing capability than crossovers, while also delivering a higher degree of burliness and solidity. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.